Hey guys, what's up? In this video I'm gonna show you how to enable and set up hotspot in Redmi 14C device. So first of all guys, you have to go to settings. Now in setting option we have an option of more connectivity options. So just tap here. Okay. On the very first we have option of a portable hotspot. So just tap on a portable hotspot and all you guys have to do is just enable the toggle for enabling the hotspot. As you see, hotspot is now on. Okay. Now just tap on the portable hotspot and then scroll down guys, and as you see we have an option of a setup portable hotspot. So just tap here. Here we have a device name and the password. So the device name is right now 14C. I am changing it into Mobileinto. Okay, so and the password is too much difficult by the way, so I am just changing it into 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, now we can also set up the security from here and we can hide it SSID, but I don't think so it's necessary. So just set it up, and as you guys see, this hotspot is now enabled and all the settings are now set up. Guys, we can also set one time data limit from here, like if the 50 MB data is used by someone, so the hotspot will be off automatically. All you guys have to do just enable this, but and we can also open up the toggle of a turn on hotspot automatically. So when the no device is connected to our phone, the hotspot will be off automatically. So guys, these are all the settings for hotspot in Redmi 14C device. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.